Ani everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be going over kitchen words and also some food. How you say food in Anishinaabemowin is mijam. So that's what I'm going to be teaching you guys today. Just a side note, I just do want to give credit to Mr. Toulouse and Pat on my reservation who teach Anishinaabemowin. You know, that's the only reason I know a lot of these words is because I've learned from them in the past. I'm still learning. Shoot, there's so much more to learn. Like, I'm not even going to be giving you all the food names. Like, I'm just giving you like basic ones that people would use more often. So first we're going to be going over some kitchen words, and the first one is going to be plate. So how you say plate is nagan. Nagan. How you say spoon is emkwan. Emkwan. How you say fork is Badak kajigan. Badak kajigan. Badak kajigan. Sorry, that one always gets me for some reason. Like, it's a little hard for me to remember. It'll take me like a couple minutes or 10 minutes to freaking remember how to say fork. But how you say knife is, I was about to say emfon. How you say knife is mokman. Mokman. And then how you say like a tiny little cup would be nitas. Nitas. And how you would say a regular like size cup, just like your everyday cup, would be minakwajigan. And then how you say pot, like you know the ones that you use for cooking, is kick. Kick. So how you would say teapot is nibi shabo kick, because nibi shabo means tea. So we're going to be going over that at the end. Now how you would say table is dopewin. Dopewin. And how you would say chair is popwin. Popwin. So how you would say bowl is bolskinagin. Bolskinagin. And how you would say stove is japkizagan. Japkizagan. Moving on to the food stuff, how you would say salt is zitagin. Zitagin. And how you would say pepper is wasagan. Wasagan. How you say bread is bikwajigan. How you say flour is bastangak bikwajigan. Bastangak bikwajigan. And how you say baking powder is mibijizagan. Mibijizagan. How you say sugar is zispakwat. Zispakwat. So how you would say any kind of meat, you would say wias. Wias is just meat in general, but to make it a little bit more specific, you'd say kukush wias, which would be pig meat. Kukush means pig. Or you could say horse meat, which is bibejigoji wias. And then if you wanted to say cow meat, you could say bijiki wias, bijiki wias, and so on. I'm gonna do a different video on like different animals, so that'll be next time. How you say egg is wawan. Wawan. That's how you say egg, just like one egg. How you say eggs plural is wawanan. Wawanan. And then how you say strawberry is odamin. Odamin. And how you say strawberries plural is odaminan. Odaminan. Now, where the word odamin comes from for strawberry is because strawberries kind of look like hearts. If you look at them, they're red and they're a little bit kind of shaped like one. So how you say heart is odame. So that's where we got the word for strawberry. How to say cherry is wigwasmin, and plural would be wigwasminon. How you say fish is gigun. Gigun. How you say corn is mindamin. How you would say corn plural is mindaminon. How you say apple is mishiman. To say apples is mishimanan. Mishimanan. How to say a potato is pin. Pin. And how to say potatoes plural is panik. How to say carrot is jeanses. No, it kind of sounds like you're trying to say Jesus with like nasal nose. Jean-sans. It's really nasally, you know, and that's how it is with Anishinaabemowin, is a lot of the times you have to say the words a little bit nasally. That's just how it is with our language. And then moving on to some of your basic drinks. So how you say milk is doroshobo. And how you would say tea is nibishabo. And then how you would say apple juice is you just take the word for apple, mishimen, and you add obo to it. Mishiminabo. So the word abo, it just means that it's like a liquid. So you'll hear that for soups, you'll hear it for any kind of drinks. And then how you say water is nabish. Most of the time you'll just hear people say bish instead of nabish. And that is concluding my video. It was really short today. I'm still learning a lot of food words, so once I get the other ones down, I'll teach you guys too. It'll probably be like a part 2, kitchen words and foods, but those were like the main foods, you know, and those are the ones that I wanted to get in there for you guys to learn. So in all, I think we went over, let me just count real quick, BRB. So we just went over 29 different words, and that's not counting the singular or plural ones, so you guys probably learned maybe about 35 words from this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There will definitely be more to come. I think my next video is going to be animals, so I'll probably do that in a week or two. I hope you guys have a good weekend, and give this video a likes up if you liked it. If you know any other Anishinaabemowin words for Mijim, just put it down in the comments. It would be greatly appreciated for everyone who looks at this video, and also for me, because I mean we're all learning together. Anyways, miigwech for watching. Bye, people. Amen.